Are you looking for no-doc funding for your business? Hey, it's Con Matthew, and I grew old waiting for you to get funding for your business.
Welcome back to Life Now from Fox. I'm Chief Insane. On this Thursday morning, we are following breaking news. I want you to take a good look at your screen, following the very latest in real time, learning from Fox 11 Los Angeles and also TMZ that music producer Irv Gotti has died at the age of 54. I'm going to drop this banner so we can see the graphic in real time. We're learning from TMZ music mega producer Irv Gotti, who worked with big acts like DMX, Ja Rule, and Ashanti, is dead. Multiple sources close to his family tell us he died Wednesday in New York City. It's currently unclear, though, how he died. Irv's battled health problems recently since suffering a stroke last year and has had to walk with the aid of a cane. The famed head of Murder Inc. Records has been open with his struggles with diabetes, saying he wasn't consistent with taking his insulin. Irv also noted his doctors had encouraged him to change his diet, which he was also struggling to do. When he suffered his stroke, a representative told TMZ diabetes was a factor, though TMZ is also told that Irv was improving his diet as a result. Gotti had a legendary career in hip-hop, producing Can I Live on Jay-Z's debut album, Reasonable Doubt. He also signed Vanessa Carlton to a record deal and produced her 2007 album, Heroes and Thieves. Irv and his former artist Ashanti had a war of words a couple of years ago, very open in the media, when he opened up on a now legendary Drink Champs episode about what he described as their relationship. Well, she fired back, saying it was never that serious to her, and accused Gotti of being salty that he no longer had control of her career. The rise of Irv's label was the subject of the 2022 BET documentary, The Murder Inc. Story, and Ashanti felt that was also a part of why they beefed, because she chose not to participate in that three-part series. Again, this breaking news just coming into our Live Now from Fox Studio. We are learning that music mega producer Irv Gotti, who worked with big acts like DMX, Ja Rule, and Ashanti, as just mentioned, he has died at the age of 54. This is an ongoing story. Again, we are working to find out with our content partners what led to that death. But
just a few clicks, you can become your own bank. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine, that means no more stress about banks falling like dominoes. And
celebrity and music entertainers react to Irv Gotti's passing at age 54.
And I'm going to continue, right, where Dana started. Okay. And I'm going to start by saying something that I tell my kids all the time. I tell them, everyone is born, we all born, and we're all going to die.
Nice.
So in between, no, listen. So in between, we live
Yes.
to the fullest.
Yes.
So that's what I think. So we live. I'm going to expand on the love by saying I love everybody in this mother.
We love you too,
We
Irv.
love you too, Irv. Sorry, Nene. Everybody in here.
We love you too.
Love you too. You know,
Nah, I don't love you. Nah.
y'all know, Nene is special to me.
Yeah.
And y'all know how I feel about Poppy. I know he's floating around in there.
Oh, he's here with us.
He's
hanging. He's hanging.
He's here with us. He's staying. I know Mackey's floating around.
He's here with us.
Hey, Maggie. You know
Yes.
what I'm saying? I miss him. I miss Poppy so much.
Yeah, we all do.
So the last love I'm gonna say is my children. Like Honey, JJ, and Angie, I can't love my kids harder than I love them.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And I may be picking up a little bit because they get whatever they want.